Hi everyone, my name is Danny Grondin from Leisure Travel Van Enthusiasts. Once again, I want to share with you my latest upgrade. This one comes directly from my upgrade wish list. Since the introduction of the Micro-Air EasyTouch Thermostat a few years ago, I was looking forward to add this device to my RV. Let me briefly break down why it can be a valuable upgrade in our beautiful RV. The first interesting thing is the possibility to adjust the temperature remotely using the free app. So no more sweating coming inside a very hot RV or worrying about your beloved pets when left inside. Using the application, you can monitor and adjust the RV's temperature from anywhere as long as the phone and the thermostat have an internet connection. The next is the smart alerts. For peace of mind, you can set low and high temperature alerts. So you will be notified on your phone if ever the temperature inside the RV reach those limits that you have decided to set. The installation is a breeze with the included instruction. It's a drop-in replacement, and you can even check out Sandra's video for more info on the installation itself. The app works seamlessly with both iOS and Android devices. The intuitive touchscreen is packed with essential features. You can set the display in Celsius or Fahrenheit. There is night mode, and you have an all-automatic mode as well as single mode operation. It have an interesting settings called Away. In that mode, you can decide to set a range of temperature, let's say to keep the inside of the RV between 65 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. That mode save on energy and keep the inside in a tolerable environment. Now, why I got it? First, I want to stay up to date with the latest thermostat technologies found in modern RVs. Plus, I was tired of returning to a sweltering RV after a day out in the hot summer sun. Being able to schedule and program the temperature just like home was a must. Visibility at night was another issue for me. Those Dometic push buttons weren't illuminated, so I had to rely on the coach light or a flashlight to use them at night. The Micro-Air EasyTouch Thermostat touchscreen is illuminated. I can even use my phone in bed to change the temperature settings. You can order it from Micro-Air website or from my local Micro-Air reseller, Mathieu from froidmarin.com in Montreal. Let me know if this worked for you. See you for the next project. Thank you very much, folks. Thank you.